guys, sorry for the back noise. My mom was talking to me. But yeah, I finally got how to make slime. Goop, I guess. I don't know, but yeah. It's pretty nice stuff. And it smells good because I put like this banana stuff. You can get it at a perfume store. It has like this banana stuff, and I bought that, and it because I made it yellow, and I bought that, and it smells very good. It smells good, and yeah. Hold a minute, I'll be back. Sorry about that. My mom had to talk to me for a minute, but yeah. And it's nice to punch. But yeah, I'll show you what it looks like on the plate. I was right back, and I had to get a bowl so I can show you what it looks like in a bowl. But it's nice. It's not, well, it is pokeable, but it's like, it is pokeable, but it's not no noise. And doesn't stick to your hands that much. So yeah, this is slime. And if you want to know how to make it, you're gonna need to use a liquid starch. And I use food coloring to get this color, but yeah, you're gonna need liquid starch, glue, some shaving cream, and slime activator. And I use my own little ingredient to make it stretchy. So, and I use my own ingredient to make it smelly. But yeah, that's how you make my big fluffable slime. My other slimes were fails, but this one's not. I like this slime because it's noisy.
Nice.
Yeah, and this is my little brother. Come here. Come here,
baby. It
baby.
scares me because there's certain numbers you can push where
Yeah,
you don't
but that's my little brother. And yeah. And if you go on my Musical.ly, please follow me on Musical.ly. Please subscribe if you're not new. And go like all of my Musical.lys. And follow me on Musical.ly. And if you've seen my Musical.lys and you're one of my fans that watch my videos, then you might have a chance of winning an iPad 6. So yeah, bye!